Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Nagendra Swami Clinic. This is an attempt to understand the clinical evidence of homeopathy in day-to-day practice. Please witness this with me. Thank
Now
you.
I'll present a beautiful case of autism in my practice. Organizers, you can feel free that I've taken permission from the patient. That's why I'm mentioning his name. The baby's name is Akshay. He's 5 years. He is actually hailing from New Zealand, Auckland, a place. They belong to Chennai actually, but because of his condition, they are very rich people, oil merchants, and they have shifted to New Zealand only to take care of their autistic baby because I learned from them that New Zealand government is giving free treatment to autistic babies. So it was diagnosed by them when the baby was 3 years old, and they shifted to a special school and they kept him under therapy. So along with therapy, homeopathic treatment was started. So during the case taking, when they visited my clinic in Chennai, so what I learned is you can see the symptoms. All of them are obviously the symptoms of autism spectrum disorder, ASD symptom. So according to them, after administering vaccination, so we are not giving the conclusions here. Whatever the case is there, I am presenting you based on the history. According to them, after vaccination, the symptoms are developed. So based on the symptoms, I started treating them with diphtherinum, parotidinum, thuja, acid night. Periodically, I have administered them. And you can see the vitamin C, multivitamins, magnesium, vitamin B6 were administered daily. Yes, I am giving supportive therapy also because there is a theory that autistic babies, they require these vitamins on regular basis. And the therapy was continued. The baby is still going to the school, special school. And Dr. Shanai, Prakash Shanai was telling now that we need some Compton Burnett organopathic remedies in support because after practicing homeopathy for years, everyone will agree single dose constitutional remedy is not universally applicable. Whenever any case comes to you, we have to understand the case first, whether it is acute or chronic. If it is acute, instantly you have to respond. You have to treat the presenting complaints and reduce the suffering of the patient first. Because even Heinemannian method, acute totality is different and chronic totality is different. Acute case taking principles are different and chronic case taking principles are different. Now here, autism is considered to be a sensorial or neurological behavioral disorder. So we have kept under Bacopa Moneri mother tincture. I asked the patient to take 5 drops twice a day and gradually increased it to 10 drops. I'm happy to share this because I have taken permission from the patient, but the patient's mother was a little hesitant to share the videos. She has sent me a lot of videos before treatment, after treatment. The difference was really, I'm very happy with the case. I'm handling a couple of cases, autistic cases, but this one I can declare as successful. The first one is the WhatsApp message you can see, the grandfather of the patient who is staying in Chennai, he collects the medicines and send it to them. He has shared this. There was a tremendous improvement after giving the intercurrent remedies. See, the basis of prescription I am going to share next is, the presentation is all about this, today's presentation. All I did was just antidoting because the patient shared after the vaccination, it might have developed. It's not substantially reduced. Okay, so all we did is DPT, OPV, BCG, kind of vaccinations were antidoted as per our homeopathic principles intercurrently. And Bacopa was kept as a principal remedy regularly to keep the patient's brain functioning in a healthy order. And the right side WhatsApp message you can see it is shared by the patient's mother who is staying in Auckland, New Zealand. And she was so happy that baby started doing all his functions, daily activities. Previously, he was unable to eat on his own. Okay, the mother has to run behind him. Now he sits with a spoon beautifully. Maybe I'll try to take the patient's permission again. I'll try to share the videos in the next session if allows anywhere. So beautifully, he's taking food now with his spoon. He was unable to sit in front of puzzles. Now he sits on his own, and beautifully he has a set of puzzles, and he does it on his own with a simple assistance from the mother. So his concentration has improved. Okay, he started listening. This is what the message shared by the patient's mother and grandfather. The next one I am very proud to share with you. The patient, Akshay's trainer, who is also a Tamilian, hailing from Tamil Nadu, and she's settled and she's a tutor in New Zealand, Auckland. Okay, and she has shared the progress of the child after starting homeopathy to the patient's mother. You can see that. Now they are so happily ready to promote the baby, Akshay, to the next level of classes. Okay, and not only that, he is doing his work, he started moving with the other classmates. He started helping the classmates also. So the socialization has to develop, which is the main centrality of autism, lack of social behavior. Most of the autistic people are in their own world. Okay, we can't judge them. Now the social behavior started improving. So such a beautiful result it has come. Their parents, grandparents were so happy. Now grandparents says whenever he video calls his Akshay, okay, he responds, he smiles, and he has a social smile. He recognizes, he calls them Tata, Pati, kind of things in Tamil. He started interacting with them. Such a beautiful improvement. The patient is still under treatment. We are happy to share this case.